Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to the fix audio service is not running. So guys, very easy. The audio service is not running. First, click on Start, scroll down, click on Windows System, click on Control Panel, click on Administrative Tools, click on Services, scroll down, click on Window Audio, right click on Properties. After click on Automatically, click on Start. After click on Apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method fix the audio services is not running. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.